Yeah guys, today welcome back to our next video. Today I cook rice and peas and fish. Yeah, you see the fish big enough to cook in a tree. And see the other things up already. Rice and peas up on pot. In a pot already, so this is my freeze, the scallion, the thyme, the onion, the pepper, the carrots. Like I for my fish guys, so watch what I go on in the kitchen. Rice and peas and fish. Yeah. Guys, just stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen. I just want to put the fish in already. You understand how I do it, so watch what I go on guys. Guys, look for my rice and peas pot. Watch what I go on tonight. You see that? Yeah. Yes guys. This is rice and peas. Yo, when I go see it finishing, look at this. And guys, you know lie, I'm gonna tell you what I season it with the rice. You put sugar, you use the coconut powder, scallion, thyme and pepper. You understand how I do it, yeah. So guys, the rice and peas are gonna sell off. You don't know to look at already. Just watch that video here until we finish. Yeah guys, soon be back. Yeah guys, man, you look keen as well now. This is a fish. You understand now, this guys? Yo, you have to see the finishing fish and rice. Guys, that one is tough. Remember that. Lick of black pepper, yeah, and lick of black pepper. So guys, watch how I go on in the kitchen, yeah. Oh, you guys, look for my rice and peas. Yo, that one smell good. I not lie to tell you. And that one I not too story up. You understand how I did? Yeah. That one are good guys. Yo, that one smell proper. Yeah guys, this is my rice and peas. So fish and rice and peas. See fish them over there. So I'll be a big fish. You see that fish them big? Very big too, yeah. I don't like to tell you. Guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look. Yeah, soon be back. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in the fish and season it up with the fish season. I'm gonna put in the fish season first and then I put in the fish. So guys, watch what I go on in Nicholas' kitchen. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put in my fish season now. Here my fish season. Yeah. Guys, the pot I go bad, I don't like to tell you. Rice and peas and fish. Watch over this one. Rice and peas that remember me tell you and watch us so. Guys, me name Chef Master. Yeah guys, that pot I go bad, I don't like to tell you. That one here go terrible. Yeah guys, so what am I gonna do now? I go put in my fish them and make you see what I go on in Nicola's kitchen. Yeah, assume be. Yeah guys, so see my fish them also. I go put in the fish them over there so. Yeah guys, I go put in my fish them now guys, so. Yeah guys, so watch what I go on in my pot. Yeah. Guys, that one is bad. Believe me. Guys, look what I go on over here so. You see that? Yeah. See what I go on for rice and peas. Let me show you what I go on for rice and peas. I have to give you an update on everything. Whoa, look the guys. Just I go and steam out a little more. Yeah. So things set up. You understand all these guys. Stay tuned for the finishing look. Rice and peas and fish. See fish over there so. Guys, that one is wicked. I don't lie if you tell you. Guys, yeah, that one is right. That one is good. Yeah, me put a next fish season on it. You can see it. You understand all these, yeah. Yo, that one is terrible. That one is terrible, yo. Me not lie if you tell you. Believe that. That one is terrible, guys. Turn over a fish. Yeah, watch it. Turn it on the other side. You see that? And the fish don't mash up. Guys, that one is bad. You know, lie if you tell you. That one is terrible. Guys, I'll give it around, say 3 more minutes and then we take it off. Yeah. Guys, look what I go on here, so. What I go on there for, guys? What I go on here saying, terrible, you know, man. Remember that, you know. And guys, remember rice and peas, so you can't make the gravy dry out too much. You understand how I did rice and peas? Yeah. Right. Rice and peas, you can't make the gravy dry out too much. So guys, watch the rice and peas in a pot over there, so. Yeah. I want a bad guys, man, I don't like it, you know. Watch, stay tuned to the finishing look, guys, cause rice almost done cook. The fish may turn off the stove now. So you're gonna see finishing look when it in the dish. Yeah guys, the rice and peas are going to steam out. Soon can come off soon from now, so stay tuned for the finishing look. Yeah guys, so you don't know things set up. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look of my rice and peas and fish. Yeah. Guys, see you in our next video. And drop a comment and tell me what you think about my rice and peas and fish. Yeah. I'm out. Bye.